Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for an 8-month-old baby. First, select fresh, organic vegetables such as carrots, peas, or sweet potatoes. It is crucial to avoid any added salt, sugar, or artificial seasonings. Always ensure all vegetables are thoroughly washed under running water to remove any dirt or pesticides before you begin cooking. Next, peel and chop your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Place these chopped vegetables into a clean pot. Add just enough water to cover them completely. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the vegetables are very tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the vegetables are tender, carefully transfer them to a blender, along with a small amount of the cooking liquid. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. For an 8-month-old, the consistency should be thin enough to easily swallow. Add more cooking liquid or breast milk as needed to reach the desired thinness. Before serving, allow the vegetable soup to cool completely to a safe temperature. Always test a small amount on your wrist to ensure it is lukewarm and not too hot for your baby. Any leftover soup can be stored in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or frozen for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.